From a CISO's perspective, the one thing that you really look for is consistency in that what I expect is actually going to happen. The IAM solutions out there, there's a lot of holes around that entitlements, that review process, etc. What Opti is really delivering underneath the hood, the value it unlocks to security leaders, and by extension, company leaders, is the are we secure? And within that, do we have visibility and complete understanding around the credentials that are out there? Are they fit for purpose? Are they least access privilege? And have we reviewed that in a timely fashion? Generally, most companies can't say yes to all of those all of the time. Opti is delivering the solution to finally being able to provide that value to which we've always been looking. The differences between Opti and other competitors in the market, especially legacy ones, is that it's AI native on day one. It takes a very specific data scientist approach to the problem versus just slapping an LLM onto a problem, which is not very helpful. When I look for a solution, I look for a solution that's able to future-proof as much as possible, but also able to enroll and integrate with those legacy systems. And as a result, I'm able to solve the one challenge that I need is to have that consistency and expansiveness of that control across my environment versus having a security control that looks like Swiss cheese. So what Opti is delivering is a highly sophisticated AI to enable the review of those access requests in context to their team, the request, the systems and what they do, and more importantly, is that what they need next week, next year, or just today? There's no question. Opti is really leading the way when it comes to solving our IAM problem with the new technologies that we need.